Welcome to another adventurers video, a North Wales adventure. We are on the A55. Jacob is here. Look at him. What a fine specimen of a young man. Can you smile, Jacob, nicely? There you go. Eleanor's with us as well. Hey, Eleanor. Not interested. And Kerry is driving in our new car. Eyes on the road, Kerry. Safety first. We are travelling in our new car to Anglesey, which is just there, in fact. We're off to Pili Palas. Oh, sorry, Jacob. Did you want to say it? We're off to... Sorry. We're off to... Pili. Enthusiasm. Amazing. We're off to Pili Palas, where we're probably going to get attacked by butterflies. Aren't you, Jacob? Yes. Kerry, you looking forward to the butterflies?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Good. What else is there? We've been a long time ago. There's llamas?
Meerkats.
Meerkats. Pigs.
Pigs. Rabbits.
Snakes.
Snakes.
Cows. Rhinos. Chickens. Camels?
Monkeys?
Monkeys.
I don't know, I'm not sure.
We're going to leave these two monkeys there. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Welcome along to our new video then. Back in 2022, we visited Pili Palas Nature World on the Isles of Anglesey in North Wales, one of our favourite places to visit. It's a family attraction for all ages and features a number of animals, from farm animals to reptiles and household pets, such as guinea pigs and rabbits. Lovely to see. It also has 2 children's parks, a meerkat cafe and gift shop as well, where you can buy lots of ice cream and drinks. Adult prices at the time of recording were £11.95 on the door and £10.95 for children. Under 2s were free, but you can find discounts if you book online on their website. Also, family booking is available. Check out their website for more details, pilipalas.co.uk. Let's take a look inside. Hello, we've arrived at Pili
Palas.
Pili Palas, yes.
And there's
so aggressive, Jacob.
And there's donkeys.
Where we have
horses.
Lots of cars and some
and this is our new
donkeys.
car.
Sorry, yeah. So there you go. Just the back of the car. It's the tangerine machine. But we're at Pili Palas. We're in the car park. We're going to find some animals and show you around. Lovely. What are we going to see first, Jacob?
I forgot the name. Got that over there.
A thing over there we're going to see. Just come up to the main entrance.
That was like that.
What was that, Kerry?
I said, Craig, get down.
Oh, God. So this is us entering Pili Palas. If you don't like flies and insects and butterflies, things like that, you might be a little bit scared of this bit. A little bit creepy. Oh, dear me. You don't look like you're enjoying yourself. Obviously, we weren't scared at all of the butterflies, as you can tell from this video. Ooh. That just fall in? So... I mean, no, it's not scary at all.
Yeah, but it is.
With pretty sure one landed on me. And I certainly wasn't scared of them one bit, of course, being very brave here with the butterflies.
is.
It's a big one.
See it?
No, look. Look at that snake.
What lizards can you see, Jacob?
Skink. You see a snake.
Oh, it's a skink.
Okay. I don't know what skink is.
What are you scared of? So we're not really scared. Isn't it that way?
No. Whoa. Go.
Come on. Come on in. Whoa. So we've just left the butterfly place, and there seems to be a kookaburra watching us.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello.
I think they're meant to be out.
Hello there.
Hello.
Having fun? Say hiya. Oh dear.
Hello.
Are you a pet?
Hello. Hello. Doesn't he talk, Kerry?
Hello.
Maybe not. Hello. Crikey. Oh my god. Where's the duck, Eleanor? You see the duck? Yeah, the duck.
Who's over here? The chickens.
You say quack quack.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, the chickens.
Well,
So just take a little stroll through the forest, a little nature walk. See what we can find. Probably end up in the park, to be honest. On a nature trail, I think. Some heat balls over there. Kerry pushing the buggy, Jacob's up front, taking us to what looks like a watch house, bird house, a twitch house, a tweet house, don't know. But we're on a nature walk, still at Pili Palas. It's all very nice. We've seen lots of fungus and mushrooms. Not found a conker tree yet though. They're disappointing. Oh, is that one? Well, it might be. Hang on. We didn't find any conkers, but we did find this thing.
mushroom.
Eat it, Jacob.
No.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it. Kerry, the mushroom hunter. What is it? Ugh. Thanks for standing in my shop.
Everywhere, look.
Do you like mushroom? Mushroom? No. Mushroom.
They're rotten.
Mushrooms aren't dangerous. You can touch them and you can lick them. They're not dangerous until you swallow it.
Don't do mushrooms. I don't need to anyway because I'm already a fun guy. Fun guy, Jacob? Bad joke. Terrible joke. There's a mushroom. We're in the bug zone. Here's an insect. The giant locust.
Oh, whoa, whoa, we got top. It's making me itchy.
Same. Oh.
Oh dear. Like a local kebab shop. Can you see the stick insect?
I do.
Some beetles.
Stick, 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 sticky, sticky, stick, stick. There he is. It's a bit like a leaf. Where is it? Oh, there it is, right at the back. Size of him. Okay, he's got very hairy legs. Bit like yours. What?
Good job we're married.
Meerkats. He's sleeping just in there.
I don't know. Oh, what's he doing? Where's he going? He's a meerkat.
Where is he? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Bye bye.
Where's he gone?
He says bye bye.
Oh, the guinea pigs.
Can you see them? Yeah.
What are you doing?
Hello, rabbit.
What are you doing? Oh, thanks. I mean, they're very brave keeping the rabbits and guinea pigs next to the snake, aren't they? Hello, Mr. Pig.
Look at the piggy.
Who's your friend, Jacob?
What?
Who's your friend?
Pig. What do you want?
Do you like the pig, Eleanor? So we're in the farm barn. We've just been inside to see the guinea pigs, and we're outside now where there is a huge pig. The size of him. Kerry,
Yeah.
do you know why goats are the best?
Why?
Because they're the greatest of all time.
Don't get it.
Greatest of all time. Goat. The goat.
Oh, right. Awful joke.
Keep up. It's a kid's farm.
Terrible bad joke.
Jacob's just out walking his goat. You see the goats, Eleanor? Eleanor.
Say bye-bye.
Saying bye. So we're in the walkabout bit. There's a nice little gate, and we've been treated to some goats. Basically, there you go. Kids are over there. Splendid. You say bye to the goats, Eleanor.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Not potato.
We are on the way home from Pili Palas after a few hours there. Enjoyable day. Enjoy it, Jacob? Says it all, really. There you go. Lots of things to do. Eleanor enjoyed it as well, seeing all the animals. Kerry enjoyed it. There you go. She's keeping her eyes on the road, very good. I enjoyed it as well. Lots to see, lots of snakes and things as well, lots of animals. You can find out more at pilipalas.co.uk. But we enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Jacob, say like and subscribe. That's what he's going to do. There you go. Join us next time. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Very good.